Hi guys, I'm supposed to be in focus, but I'm not 100% sure about it. Welcome to this vlog. I'm Vero and this is my channel. It's still very awkward to film this stuff. Anyway, this is a vlog. This was supposed to be a vlog, but I'm not very good at making vlogs yet. Why? Every time. Hey guys. This was supposed to be a vlog, but I don't know how to vlog yet, so I didn't film myself at all basically, and yeah, I'm sorry about that. I want to improve. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I don't know. I don't think so, but just let me know if you're interested in them. Guys, this video is gonna be a vlog about the Skillshare classes that I took last week. And this video is also sponsored by Skillshare. Yeah! As you might know, Skillshare is an online learning community where you can find more than 27,000 classes about everything: music, cooking, marketing, lifestyle, anything. And it's also super affordable with less than $10 per month if you get the annual membership. So, today, this week, the past week, I decided to follow a lot of those classes. And if you want to follow the same classes that I did follow, you should check the info box because there's a link, and if you use the link, you get two months of Skillshare Premium for free. So if you want, you check it out because it's great. 2 months is a long time, and you can follow lots of classes in that period of time. I followed a lot of classes, of course, art classes, because this channel is about art. So yeah, I just followed the classes that I think I needed to follow and I wanted to, like the classes that inspired me. So I didn't prepare this to give you guys a list of classes that you should follow if you're an art beginner. Maybe I can do a post on Instagram about that, or another video if you want, because I know that people told me that the amount of classes that Skillshare has is overwhelming and they don't know where to start. So I couldn't make a post about it on my blog or somewhere. Like, just let me know. Just go there and just scroll through them and you'll find someone that you like for sure, 100% sure. So let's get this video started. All the classes that I followed are in the description, linked in the description video. And yeah, I'm gonna let you see the footage that I've managed to film, and then I'll see you later for other things that I forgot to film. Hello guys, this is day 1 of my vlog and I didn't record myself. I just don't know how to vlog yet, so I'm sorry about that. I hope I will improve during the week. Anyway, this day was very slow. I slept a lot today. I only took 1 Skillshare class, even though I wanted to take more, but I started with calligraphy and I know nothing about calligraphy, so I figured it would be useless to take more classes, because I need to learn this and I need to dedicate myself to this class, because otherwise there's no point in taking other classes because I would feel stressed and I don't think I could keep up with it. So I dedicated myself to this class by Bryn Chernof called Introduction to Modern Script Calligraphy, and she teaches everything you need to know. She teaches how to use nibs and she gives exercises. She talks about all the materials that she uses and the ink that she uses, and she teaches you how to write in a certain font and a certain style, and it's amazing. I feel like I've learned so much. Those nib exercises are very useful, even though if you don't do calligraphy, those are very, very useful in general. I feel much better with the nib now. I feel much more confident and I just like it more and I want to use more my nibs. But yeah, it was very useful. I was very inspired and I feel very happy today because I just can't wait to learn something new tomorrow. Anyway, I couldn't do much today and I feel like I should do the end project when I have done more practice. So today went like this, and that's it for today. Yeah, bye. Today I managed to take 4 classes on Skillshare. One by Mimi Chao, Draw Your Life Intro to Illustrated Journaling. One by Samantha Dion Baker, Sketchbook Illustration for All Day, Draw Your Day with Watercolors and Pen. They were both about journaling through images and how convenient and meditating and fun it is to draw your day or your week. They talk about the tips that they use. Mimi Chao uses digital media to do it. She uses an iPad, and Samantha does it on paper with watercolors. They both talk about templates that you can use to start to draw your journal. They give you tips on how to draw. They talk about the tools that they use, and it's very interesting and very inspiring. They're both very positive, and just they made me feel so cool about myself. And yeah, it's very fun as an exercise and useful to draw your day, because in this way you have to draw also things that you never draw, so you go out of your comfort zone. So it's cool. I started journaling and I'm really liking it. The class about Sketchbook by Leah Goren was very inspiring because she has this amazing style. She goes through the process and she does amazing things because she doesn't even make a preparatory sketch. She is so confident that she's take the paints and directly paint. She uses gouache, and it was so inspiring to see how many things you can do with a sketchbook and how can you use a sketchbook to experiment and find your style. And she has a very nice motto: what's something that I've never drawn before? Like, she asked herself this question before drawing, and I should do it too. The fourth class was by Margarita Burkova, Art Hacks to Work on Creative Block, The Power of Series. By series, she meant that, in her opinion, by drawing a lot of objects that belong to the same category can boost your creativity, because it makes you realize how many things surround you that can inspire you. Like she makes you aware of your surroundings, and she gives a lot of prompts and ideas on what to draw when you're not feeling creative, and it's very inspiring. Hello guys. Today I started the day by doing the exercise by Margarita Burkova taught in our class. I did this as a warm-up, so I drew the plants, but I did it from the photo because I had to record myself. So I took photos of the plants that I have in my house, and I tried to draw them loosely without feeling overwhelmed, and it was very fun. I missed this. But today is also my father's birthday, so I wasn't at home at all. I just only did one class. I just want to learn how to draw animals, and I feel like I should have done another class that could teach me the basic of animal anatomy and stuff, but I just felt, inspired by these character design classes. She teaches a lot. She gives you a lot of tips. I love that she also talks about the books that she read and she recommends as to learn more about the class and what she's teaching. here because I forgot to film a part. You know, it's very difficult to remember to film things. It's just so difficult. That day, I managed to take 2 classes. One is by a dear Indian man that I forgot the name, and my notebook is over there underneath the camera. It was a class about character design. It talks about the very basics of character design. It goes through the archetypes and how with stereotypes you can create valid characters, and the fact that it always has to be believable and its background. And it talks about these basic things about character design, and that's very useful. I took a lot of notes. I wish I could read them. They're underneath there. Hey, notes. It talks about how shapes can affect a character personality, and how in Disney or in a lot of comics they use shapes to communicate certain kinds of personality, and all those things. It's very interesting. And of course, through all of this theory, it makes you create your own characters that I haven't created. You know, this is all knowledge that I have to put to practice yet, because I had a busy week. I didn't manage to do more. And I also took a class by Gabriel Picolo. Gabriel? You might know him. You probably know it. He's an Instagram artist superstar, and it has millions of followers, I think. He talks about his process, the materials that he uses, and how it goes through making a concept for a character and how he develops it. And it gives a lot of useful tips on how to warm up when you start your day by doing like figurative loose sketches to feel more, to train your hands so that you can do better. Like warm up exercises are always very great. Yeah. I guess I'm back from the grocery shopping, and now I'm gonna draw all the things that I've bought as an exercise on my journal, because I'm still journaling. After watching those Skillshare classes, I feel like it's very inspiring and it's a good exercise to go out of your comfort zone. So I'm doing food today. This, guys, is a typical Italian breakfast: rusk with marmalade and tea, or milk with cereals, or milk with cookies. But we eat warm milk. I know it's weird, but yeah, that's Italian. So I've been practicing a bit drawing my dog Billy, my sweet little potato, and I'm gonna start drawing animals from my dogs because I can take a lot of photo references from them. And yeah, I did the thing where I traced the image and then I draw it, and it actually helps because I feel like I understand more how things are and where they are, and I gain a little bit of muscle memory. But of course you also need to observe things very well to be able to draw them. I'm gonna start to draw more animals. Next, Maya, my other dog. It's too early for me to start to stylize things because I don't know how to draw animals in general, so I first need to learn how to draw them and then I can stylize them because I don't feel ready to do it. So guys, this is the end of this vlog. I don't know if I was in focus or not in this inserts that I put up. I just really had very much fun during this week following all these classes. I felt very creative while doing it, and it really helped me feeling more motivated and more happy. I just love when people teach me stuff. I didn't manage to follow all the classes that I wanted to because I have 60 classes in my saved classes and didn't manage to follow them. Use the link in the description to get 2 months of free Skillshare. If you want to try all the classes, you can do it for free for 2 months. All the classes that I've talked in this video are linked in the description box, of course. I don't know, let me know if you want to see more vlogs. If you came to the end of this video, I'm very thankful. I think it's gonna be a pretty long video, so I'm very thankful and I love you deeply. I don't know what it is. Why do I keep making arts when I finish? Bye.